Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your GMT over there. So you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how you can design this kind of amazing flyer design on your Pixellab or your Pixellab Pro. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to consider hit the subscribe button, like this video, share and comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified exactly when I post any amazing videos like this. So to get notified, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into this tutorial. So the first thing, let me clear everything that I've added so far on this template by deleting everything. Let's mark to make it easier and faster. So let's get rid of everything. So you can see we are left with the background, and let me show you the background size. It at the weight it will be 1280, and at the height we have 1474. I mean, so change the color of the background to pink and let's upload from our gallery. So let's upload this at the first and resize to 100 as usual. Yeah, so before we continue, let me show you the first thing to input. Let's input the text, and on this text, new in capital letter, all in capital letters, and we resize it, fix into the so let's increase the spacing. So the next text we're adding will be fashion, also in capital letter, and we are resizing it. Increase the spacing also. And we're changing the color to let's change the color to red. Let's do that. And give it a stroke that will be white. So reduce it to 1, and let's add, hold on, go to this and put it. Yeah, so let's add another text. So, another text. This will be mega sale. So we got to letter. This will be white. So let's add a shape to complete this. First, add the stroke, change the color to white. We get this here. So add the text. Okay, so add another text. This will be fine now. Yes, so after we are done with this, let's add from our gallery. This will be the first. And we size it to 100 and send to back. Yeah. So add everything. This will be the second. Size to 100 and we edit it. Yes, so you can see how beautiful and simple with amazing at the same time this is. So you see, we don't have to add anything that will be stressing us. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to consider hit the subscribe button on your way out, like this video also on your way out, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified exactly when I post any amazing videos like this. And if you are returning viewers, thanks for coming back guys once again. I really appreciate it. So see you guys in my next tutorial. You're welcome.